Okay, just wanted to show you guys that the Box 3, the Max 3, I mean, of Onyx Box comes with a remote, and I'm sitting in a special chair due to physical needs, and it's loading now a document from my Drive storage, and because the font can be zoomed to such a degree that I can read it from this distance. And while I work on my free write, turning a page is just absolutely fabulous. Little remote, very nicely designed. Yeah, just wanted to make people aware. Many people are not aware that the Max 3 comes with a remote control. So, there you go. Wherever I want to go, it's absolutely no problem. It reacts very snappy. Storage. There. Back. Library. Back. My bookshelf. There you go. It's absolutely fabulous. Access to all the things. Not sure how I bring up that I haven't found out yet, how to bring up the special menus. But I'm sure there is something there. Rocky movie script. I use it mostly to read scripts, and to do that, this machine is absolutely fabulous. Okay, not sure what it's doing now. There. And as you can see, it changes screen very, very quickly. Alright. Onyx Box Max 3. Absolutely recommended for those who need an e-ink tablet this size. Good luck.